now we will demonstrate how to use the replacement toner cartridges for model number Brother tn436 toner, which is compatible with printer model's Brother L8900CDW and many other similar models. Our first step is to gently shake the toner cartridge to evenly distribute the toner powder within the toner cartridge. Then we will remove the orange protective cover. Now we will open the printer. And insert the toner cartridge. And be sure to snap it into place, and we will repeat the same steps for the additional cartridges, the cyan, the magenta, and the yellow. Now we have inserted all 4 cartridges. Now we will close the printer unit and do a test print. And here is our test print for the replacement toner cartridge, model number Brother tn436 toner, which is compatible with printer models Brother HL8260CDM.